Hi, my name is Sofiyyullah bin Hashim, an AI student from Faculty of Information and Communication Technology.
I'm Asyraf bin Zulkifli, and I'm AI student from Faculty Information of Communication Technology.
Hi, I'm Aminul Islam. I am a student of BITI and I am from Faculty of Information and Communication Technology.
Hello, I'm Azlee bin Ahmed I'm an AI student from BT from Faculty of Information Communication and Technology.
Hello, I'm Ahmed Abueida. I'm from AI from Faculty of Information and Communication Technology.
Hi, my name is Sofiyyullah bin Hashim, and today I'm going to explain a little bit about MIPS assembly code that will convert any value in cm into feet and or inch. Okay, on the upper left of the code, as you can see, there is .text, which is a directive to the assembler and tells the assembler the upcoming session is considered as assembly language instructions. And after that is .global main, which is .global tells the assembler that the label following it, in this case is main, is accessible as outside the file. This is useful when you want to link several files together. Okay, after that we have in the main section, the start of the code is li.s01 and li.s12. I put the value of 1 into the s0 and value of 2 into the s1. And then after that we can see I put the ask the user input of cm, which is $a0 for quest, $v0 for syscall. In this section I call the system code to print string in the quest section where you see data in the data, and then I read the user input li.v06 syscall, which is I want to read the user input in float, which is the li.v06 is a system call code for float. And then I move.s. Move.s is actually a short form for move float, which the value that have been input from $f0 to $f3. And then ask user for choice. I want to ask user for choice, either they want to convert to inch, which is 1, or convert to feet, which is 2. So I put the code is $la.a0 choice to li.v04, which is called, which is actually the same when I ask input of cm, because I want to call the choice string on the data later. And then I read user input for choice, which is li.v05 syscall when I want to read integer. And then I move input from $v0 to $t1, where I put the value of that user have put there in integer 1 or 2 into $t1. And then in the branch section, I want to compare the value that that the user have input there, which is beq branch equal to, where I want to compare if the $t1 equal to $s0, it will go to inch, or if $t1 equal to $s1, it will go to feet. Which in this section, as you can see, if the user put 1, which is equal to $s0, which is 1 2, the program will go to feet. And if the user put $t1, which put the number value of 2 into $t1, which is equal to $s1, it will go to feet. But if they put any number, others number, the program will terminate and stop, because it will find some error there. Okay, in the next session my friends will explain later. Thank you.
So now I'm Iman bin Zulkifli, and I will tell you about how to converting from cm to inch. Okay, firstly we will load the float value, which is 0.394 into the $f18, which means the value of 0.394 is the same value of 1 cm in inch. Okay, after that the command look nice, we will load the look nice command, which is we load the string of nice into the $a0. Okay, then we will print the look nice command, which is I will print the number 4 into the $v0, and we will print out to become a command. Okay, then I will explain about the calculation. Okay, about the calculation, we will multiply the float from the $f18, which is 0.394, and we will multiply the value that been input by the user, which is the dollar value $f3, which is the value is $f12. Then we will print out the value of the float, which is 2, which is load the value into the $V0, and we will print out the value. So and then we will jump back to the loop. Okay, then my friend will explain about the J loop and continue with the converting CM to feet. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Mama Azlee by Ahmed N. Right now, I'm gonna talk about how to convert centimeter to feet in the MIPS code. The first function is about for about converting centimeter to feet is about by the code is gonna load the float float load the float of 0.033 into the $F18, and then and into the next function is about hashtag loadness is function loadness. First, the code gonna load the command nice into the $A0, and then the code gonna give instruction to load the to print out the command nice into the $V0, and then into the conclusion. Sorry, into the calculation. First, we is gonna use the $F18 from the we got from above to times with $F3 that we get from the user input, and then we gonna get result into the $F12, which gonna and then the code gonna give the instruction to print out the $F12 into $V0, and then we're gonna jump into the loop from the code J loop. Thank you. And then gonna give to Aminul to explain about loop.
Hi, I'm Aminul Islam. I am going to discuss about list of our project. Our friend already discussed about the conversation. Now I will explain about the loop function, loop section. As you can see, there is load $is0 as capital Y, load $is5 at small y, load $is6 at capital N, and load $is7 and small a. And for the here is a hashtag for loop. This is a command, and like C++, we will use slash tag and slash for command. Here we use just hashtag, and here $A0 ask li $V04 syscall. That's mean this is mainly used for printout, and load $V0 at 4 mean we want to print out. That's why we use this, and this the time for the input from user. That's why we use load $V012 syscall. It's to read the characters. And now we move the value of $V0 into $T5, and we again use LA $A0 next, load $V04 syscall like we have used before. We just use this for make the output beautiful, because if we don't, we just need to make a space from the uh, between the two output, otherwise it gets together. That's why you use this. And now the time for branches. Here PQ branch equal $T5 at if $T5 is equal $S4, its code directly goes to main, and $T5 is equal to $S5, it's also goes to main. BQ if $T5 is equal to $S6, it exit, and if $T5 is equal to $S7, it also goes to exit. And the list of the program will explain, by our next friend. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ahmed Abueida. I'm gonna continue from this section. I'm gonna explain the exit section. First, the li $A0 thank you with all the variable thank you from data, and the system code 4 is used To print string, then the next line, which is li$b010, is used to terminate the program, where the assembler will understand it as exit of assembly instructions. And now about data. Data is to tell assembler that the upcoming section is considered data, where here we use 6 different variables to make user understand the program interface easily. We have quest, choice, nice, ask, next, and thank you. First, about quest. Quest is to enter the value you want to convert in centimeter. Second, about choice, you want to convert to inch, you press 1 if you want. Third, about nice, is to enter the value. Fourth, about ask, if you want to convert to yes or no. For next is for spacing, and the last, thank you for using our system, and thank you.
Now I'm going to show of our program where we run on QT assembler. Then it will pop up like this, and I just need to press any number that I want to choose. Like as example, I want to press 12.5, and it will ask the question. If I want to convert to inch, as example, I will press inch, so I need to press 1. Then here's the result. If I still want to use this system, just press Y, and it will repeat the same question again. And maybe I can put a number like maybe 34. And then now I want to convert it to feet, so I just need to press 2 and then enter that the result. And if I want to stop the calculator, I just press N and it will stop. Thank you.